Hello students, now we'll move to our next point, that is sliding and rolling. Now you can see here a picture is given, this slide is given, right? So if you sit or go in this slide, so you will get slip from this surface, right? So this surface is called as what? Slope. This surface from top to bottom, slippery surface, called as a slope. And so that you, when you sit here, so you will get slip from this surface because it's a slope. So every shape has a flat or a rolling surface. Now what is flat surface or what is the rolling surface, that we will see. Now flat surface we have seen in our previous class, that is the flat surface means a cube or the cuboid has a flat surface, or a circle or the cylinder have a curved surface. So when the flat surface is go through this slide or the slope, it get slides down, and when the circle or the sphere shape or the cylindrical shape slopes down, it get rolled down. Then how? Now we will see it with the help of example. So for example, I have taken a book over here in a slopey surface. You can see a slope is given, or a slide shape it's given. So I have hold this book in a slopey way. So let's see the example. So this pencil is in which shape? Cylindrical shape. So its surface is what? Curved surface. Its surface is curved surface. So when I put this object from this slopey surface, so it get rolled down. Roll, you can see it's get rolling. It get rolling means it is not, it get roll to itself. So it is rolling. This way it is going down, right? So this way rolling. This is known as rolling. It get rolled to itself this way, right? So and then this scale is what? It has a flat surface, right? It has a flat surface, and when I leave this scale on this slope, it get slides down, means it get slides. It doesn't slope, it doesn't roll like this, it doesn't roll like this, it gets slides like this. It is sliding. This is rolling. This is rolling to itself. Roll. I hope you understand what is rolling, what is sliding. So in this way object get roll down and get slide down. Curved surface object rolls and flat surface object slides. So with this we'll start our exercise. Exercise 6.4. Draw one object that can roll on one object that can slide. Here you have to draw the object that can roll. Which object will roll? Here you can draw a pencil. Or which object can slide? You can draw any shape with your choice. Suppose I have taken here rolling example is what? Pencil. So I can draw here a pencil. You can draw the pencil nicely. So pencil. Now next is what? A sliding object I can use here. I have used here what? Scale. So yeah, you can draw your scale or a textbook or anything that have a flat surface. So you can draw anything, suppose a box or a scale, anything you can draw. I have here used scale, so I have drawn here a scale. So you can draw anything with your choice. Only the rolling object have a curved surface and a sliding object have a flat surface. Now next question is what? Take the object which rolls and circle the object which can slide. So rolling object we have to tick. Now this A dice is given, and if we roll from this slide, what it will do, is it slide or is it roll? It will roll. So it has a flat surface, right? You can see a flat surface, and flat surface objects are slides down. So for sliding, what we have to do, we have to circle that object. So for sliding, circle. This remote control, it also has a flat surface. So flat surface also get slides down. Now this sharpener has a flat surface, you can see. So it is also get slides down. You can try at home. Is it rolls or slides? You can try it at home. Now this bottle has curved surface, right? So curve is given. So it is roll or slide, it will roll. So you will tick this. Now next is pencil. Pencil has curved surface, so it will roll. So tick. Now ball is also have a curved surface, so we will tick it because it will roll. I hope you understand this. Now we'll go for it. Now our next topic, that is patterns. So what is pattern? A design which is repeated in a particular manner. This design or the rangoli, you can see this repeated in its particular manner. A square, after that line, then again square, line, square, line, square. So it repeated again and again after some manner. So this called as pattern. The rangoli shown here a beautiful pattern. The rangoli is also in a different pattern. So pattern is what? Now let us look at the pattern which is given below and draw the missing figures. We have to draw the missing figures. Now 2 circles, rectangle. 2 circles, then 1 triangle. Again 2 circles, then missing, then again 2 circles, again triangle. So in missing place, what or which shape will come, which figure will come? 2 circles, triangle, 2 circles, again triangle, then again 2 circles, again triangle. This is the pattern, right? This completes the pattern after repeated in a particular manner. Shapes are repeated in a particular manner. Now again square, rectangle, square, rectangle, square. Now what will become? After square, each square, every square, rectangle will come. So now after this square, again rectangle will come, right? So again after this rectangle, again square, again rectangle. Simple. Now next, 2 arrows in upward, then 2 times in a forward direction. 1 time, then 2 times. Again 1 time upward direction, then again 2 times, as it is for 2 times, 1 and 2. So 1 is given and you have to fill the missing. So again 2 times will be the forward direction. Then again upward direction. This is the complete pattern that you have to fill. Next is what? Exercise 6.5 that we have to do. First question is, draw the 4th picture. Pictures are given, you have to draw the missing or the 4th picture. A, 1 box, then 1 is become 2, then on 3rd 2 is become 3. Now on 4th picture it will become, as it is 3, now it becomes 4. So 4 boxes. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? Now next, triangle. Now triangle, opposite triangle, right? Triangle, opposite triangle. Then again triangle, opposite triangle, straight triangle. Straight, opposite, straight. Now again which shape will come? Now see, this triangle, now upside down or the opposite triangle. Straight triangle, upside down triangle or the opposite triangle. Then again straight triangle, then again opposite or the upside down triangle, right? So this is your next. Now next is lines, then it become a cross line, then it again join the 2 lines, then what will be the next? This is your first, this is your second, this is your third, and again this is again become a cross. So this is your fourth. This way you have to identify the pattern and you have to do this. Now next is question number 2. What comes next? AA, BB, CC. Next will be DD, right? After C, D will comes, and it as it is for the 2 times, so D also for the 2 times. Next is what? Day, night. Day, again night will come, so night, right? Next 87, 89, then 91. Then which number will come over here? So see first, 87, then which number should come? 88, but here is 89, so one number is missing. 87, 88 is missing, 89 is there. Again 89, which number should be there? 90, but 90 is missing. 91 is there. So after every number, one number is missing. So after 91, 92 comes, but we have to miss it, and next is 93, right? Next is 55, 60. 65, which number? You can see here 5 numbers gap is there. 55, 60, 60, 65. Now after 65, 5 more than 65 is 70. So 70. So 55, 60, 65, 70. 5 number gap is there. Now 40, 38. We are going backward. See, 40, 38. How many steps backward? 2 steps. 40, 39, 38. 2 steps backward. Then 38, 37, 36. 2 steps backward. Now again 36. 2 steps we have to go backward. 36, 35, we have to miss it, and then 1 and 2 second is what? 34. So 34. So this is how we can solve the patterns, and this way we have finished our exercise 6.5 here.